Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, it's jacobcrypobury here. We're going to have a little update on what's going on with Dogecoin and the crypto market at the moment. Doge is one of the only few green bubbles that we've got on the day, and we're up 3.3% on the weekly market cap time frame. We can see Bitcoin has plummeted back down to $38.7k with just a $737 billion market cap right here, and we're sitting in extreme fear once again. Everybody in this particular market, we've basically flipped the 40k support level into a resistance, which doesn't look too good, and it is very possible there's a good chance we're going to see even a $30,000 Bitcoin over the next few weeks or months if we don't push back through this bull market support band, or really the bear market resistance band at this particular point of time. So just a bit of news to start off. I mean, we want to have a bit of positivity, don't we? Kraken awarded crypto trading license in the United Arab Emirates. So, with the new operational license in Abu Dhabi, Kraken aims to provide access to global liquidity to local investors via dirham trading pairs. Californian crypto exchange Kraken becomes the second virtual asset platform after Binance to receive regulatory approval to operate in Abu Dhabi International Financial Center and Free Zone. So really this is some good bullish news, showing again, reflecting adoption, reflecting that crypto is here to stay and that more people can access cryptocurrency legally, more exchanges and big enterprises can now buy Bitcoin. And what else have we got to check? Well, this is the bearish scenario. Something sure feels like it's about to break. 5 things to know in the Bitcoin this week. We've got Asia woes overtake French election relief, so there's a bit of political geopolitical things going on. The key external event for risk assets at the start of the week is the French election. This is won by incumbent Emmanuel Macron. A sigh of relief for market players concerned about a surprise victory from far-right rival Marine Le Pen. So Bitcoin was unmoved at the Macron victory, and risk assets are already contending with an Asia downturn on April 25 as COVID-19 in China rattles sentiment. Another thing to look at is the global stocks, worth 107.6 trillion, equal to 127% of the global GDP. Global stocks lost 3.3 trillion in market capitalization. We've also got 8% inflation and the DXY going absolutely crazy. So it doesn't look amazing. So bit of an economical confusion really. Dollar strength is back with a vengeance. We can see here the DXY is challenging, it's really challenging crypto at the moment. So dollar strength has rarely been a boon for Bitcoin, and the inverse correlation, while criticized by some, appears to be firmly in control this month. So the DXY has popped back over 100, which isn't really something that we do want to see. Weekly chart prints fourth straight red candle. Bitcoin is looking anything but rosy on April 25, while the weekend managed to avoid significant volatility. The weekly close still disappointed, coming in just under last week's level. So we do have a monthly red candle here for Bitcoin. We can see this tweet right here. During retest 1, Bitcoin fake broke down from the cloud before reversing. During retest 2, Bitcoin wicked sub-cloud before reversing. We've got this little pattern right here. Bitcoin needs to reclaim cloud as support, so basically come up by $40,000. It's crucial Bitcoin doesn't clip cloud into resistance to avoid downside. So it's very, very possible that we might see this downside activity and maybe put through a lower low. Doesn't necessarily mean coming down to $30,000, but it could be something like 35.5 or something like so. So Dogecoin today ranked 12, $18.5 billion market capitalization of 1.1 billion, trading volume looking pretty juicy, trading at $0.14. We can see actually this is one of the few projects that is green, and I don't know if this is something to do with Elon Musk acquiring Twitter, but so far Q1, Q2, we've got a green Q2 for Dogecoin at the moment. We can see here we're trading in this channel, bit of a consolidation channel between 0.12 and also $0.18, and we've actually bounced now off of this particular support level. We retested the support over here at 0.137, and we've had a lot of volume, so it could be something to do with the Ethereum whales, it could be something to do with Elon Musk. Really not sure what the cause is, but it has looked like we've been really in a big downside for a very long time. If we look at the actual size of this correction now, it's really, really big, and I suppose you can start to feel bullish when we see these sort of things. If I just find the right tool, price range, we're down now a whopping 80%. This is where we can start speculating, well, okay, this is maybe an accumulation range. undervaluation range. Can we start buying Doge today? It's probably much more safe to buy Doge today. And if you do want to do that, I have a link down below in my description for you. Much more safe to buy Doge today than it was, you know, a year ago back in April 2021. So I'd rather buy now than personally a year ago through all the greed and euphoria. Even though we are undervalued and not much is happening, we're under the bull market support band here. We're under the 200-day moving average. We're just retesting that 20-day moving average right now on this daily time frame. If we look at the hourly, we're just putting through a couple more higher highs and higher lows. Maybe there's a chance that we might get a bit of a bull flag here, and if we do see continuation to the upside, I imagine we will actually get a nice juicy pump right here. A little bit of a bull pennant. If we take the size of the wick right here from the bottom, bull flag, the breakout target is around $0.0158 for an 11% long position there if you're looking to potentially trade this. Of course, on the reversal side of things, we can come back down, retest support at 0.123 for a 12% shorting opportunity. There's no bearish divergence here. It does look pretty good on the hourly time frame. Daily time frame, of course, we're not overextended at all, and we do also have a bit of a bearish crossover on the MACD. So there's a few kind of elements that tell me, well, this could easily come back down depending on what the rest of the market decides to do. At the moment, we're in a bearish sentiment. You know, we're not above this support band. We're retesting the support band constantly, which means we are in a downtrend. When you're above it and you're healthily testing a support, then bouncing off and seeing higher highs and higher lows, that's healthy. But right now, it's still lower highs as well as the odd, you know, higher low and lower low here and there. So still pretty skeptical on what could happen for Dogecoin. If we zoom out and kind of have a look at the previous swing high, what are some of the targets that we could potentially be retesting soon? Well, I think, you know, if we look at the fib extension here, maybe we can at least come up to the 0.145, 0.159, and the golden pocket over here at 0.172. These are some particular levels that we could look out for. And on this weekly time frame as well, we can also potentially look out for a double bottom reversal pattern that could play out right here. If you're with me, we've got the neckline right over here at around this particular level. Neckline at 0.1532, and that could lead to continuation to the upside if we do get a pump out of this particular hole. Not 100% sure what could happen. So Dogecoin particularly looks like we've had a nice pump on the daily, but I don't know if it can be sustained. I don't know if this is just a bit of a fake out in the market, or you know what the true picture is behind this particular movement. If you want to also hop into the Discord channel, guys, make sure you come find me down below in my description. If you want to buy Dogecoin today, use the link as well. Check out Lucky Block 2, which you can see in the description. It's a great crypto giveaway, prize and games platform, so you might be a lucky winner over there. And yeah, make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and see you soon. Bye now.